The universe is constantly evolving. Stars are born, they live and they die. We are witnessing a similar revolution right now, here on Earth, with artificial intelligence. AI is not just science fiction anymore. It's rapidly changing how we work, live, and interact with the world around us. Manufacturing is becoming smarter and more efficient with robots and predictive algorithms. Healthcare is being revolutionized with AI-powered diagnostics and personalized treatments. Even the creative arts are seeing new forms of expression emerge through AI-generated music and art. AI is fundamentally transforming the way we solve problems and create value. The AI revolution is not a distant event, it's happening right now. Remember the days of flipping through CD collections or browsing endless shelves at the video store? Today, algorithms recommend our music and movies, often knowing our tastes better than we know ourselves. This is AI in action, subtly woven into the fabric of our daily lives. From self-driving cars navigating complex cityscapes to virtual assistants understanding and responding to our spoken commands, the future is increasingly becoming our present. Smart home devices adjust our thermostats, turn on our lights, and even brew our coffee before we wake up. AI-powered translation tools break down language barriers, connecting people across cultures in ways never before imagined. The line between science fiction and reality is blurring with each passing day. The pace of change is accelerating, and AI is at the forefront of this revolution. It's time to embrace this new reality and explore the boundless possibilities that AI offers. At the heart of the AI revolution lies machine learning, a powerful set of techniques that enable computers to learn from data without explicit programming. Imagine teaching a child to ride a bike. You don't give them a complex physics lesson. You let them experiment, fall, and learn from their experiences. Machine learning operates on a similar principle. Instead of rigid instructions, we feed algorithms massive amounts of data. The algorithms then identify patterns, make predictions, and improve their performance over time. This is how our email inboxes filter spam, how facial recognition unlocks our smartphones, and how online retailers recommend products we might like. These different approaches to machine learning are fueling the AI revolution, driving innovation across industries and transforming the way we interact with technology. The impact of AI extends far beyond our smartphones and smart homes. It's revolutionizing entire industries, from healthcare to finance, transportation to education. In healthcare, AI is being used to diagnose diseases with greater accuracy than human doctors in some cases. Imagine an algorithm that can analyze medical images, identify subtle anomalies, and alert physicians to potential cancers at their earliest stages. In finance, AI is powering algorithmic trading platforms, detecting fraudulent transactions, and providing personalized financial advice. Self-driving cars, guided by sophisticated AI systems, promise to make our roads safer and more efficient. The practical applications of AI are vast and continue to expand at an astonishing rate. With great power comes great responsibility. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives, we must confront the ethical challenges it presents. One pressing concern is the potential for bias. Since AI algorithms learn from data, they can inherit and even amplify existing biases in that data. Imagine a hiring algorithm trained on a dataset of resumes from a predominantly male workforce. This algorithm might unfairly penalize female applicants, perpetuating gender imbalances in the workplace. Similarly, facial recognition systems trained on datasets lacking diversity have shown to be less accurate for people of color, raising concerns about racial profiling. Privacy is another critical issue. AI systems often rely on vast amounts of personal data, raising concerns about data security and potential misuse. Building a future where AI benefits all of humanity requires a commitment to responsible AI development. This means addressing bias by ensuring diverse and representative datasets are used to train AI algorithms. It also means developing mechanisms to identify and mitigate bias throughout the AI lifecycle, from data collection to model deployment. Transparency is crucial. We need to understand how AI systems make decisions and what factors influence their outputs. Explainable AI, or XAI, is an emerging field that aims to make AI decision-making processes more transparent and understandable to humans. Collaboration is key. Governments, industry leaders, researchers, and ethicists must work together to establish clear guidelines and regulations for responsible AI development and deployment. By embedding ethical considerations into every stage of AI development, we can harness its transformative power while mitigating its potential risks. The AI revolution is a double helix of risks and opportunities intertwined. On the one hand, AI has the potential to exacerbate existing societal problems, from economic inequality to job displacement. The automation of tasks currently performed by human workers could lead to widespread unemployment, particularly in sectors like manufacturing and transportation. Furthermore, the development of autonomous weapons systems raises profound ethical and geopolitical concerns. The prospect of machines making life or death decisions without human intervention is deeply unsettling and demands careful consideration. On the other hand, AI offers unprecedented opportunities to address some of humanity's most pressing challenges. From developing new treatments for diseases to combating climate change, AI has the potential to improve the lives of billions of people around the world. AI-powered systems can analyze climate data to predict natural disasters, optimize energy consumption, and develop sustainable solutions for a greener future. The future of AI depends on our choices. In the midst of this AI revolution, we must never forget the human element. Technology, no matter how advanced, is ultimately a tool created by humans for humans. It is our values, ethics, and empathy that will guide the responsible development and deployment of AI. Consider the role of AI in healthcare. While algorithms can analyze vast amounts of medical data to diagnose diseases more accurately, it is the compassion of a doctor that provides comfort to a patient. In education, AI can personalize learning experiences to suit individual needs, but it is the encouragement of a teacher that inspires a student to reach their full potential. As we forge ahead into this new era, we must ensure that the human touch remains at the heart of our technological advancements. AI can augment our abilities, but it cannot replace the essence of what makes us human. The AI revolution is not a spectator sport. It's an invitation to participate in shaping the future. Each of us has a role to play in ensuring that AI benefits all of humanity. We must become informed citizens, engaging in thoughtful discussions about the ethical implications of AI and advocating for responsible development. Education is paramount. We need to equip future generations with the skills and knowledge to thrive in an AI-powered world. This includes fostering critical thinking skills. This includes computational literacy. This includes an understanding of the ethical dimensions of technology. Embrace curiosity. Explore the world of AI. The more we understand about AI, the better equipped we are to navigate its complexities and harness its power for good. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates.